What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Half-Assed Garage. Today we're going to be doing a cold start challenge for some folks over there on the Instagram, so that's what we're going to do. I don't really have anything carbed because that one's still being worked on, so we're going to do it with the XJ instead. So, pitter patter. This is charging and I know that we're going to need it. So we're going to instead take one of these brooms outside and clear off all of the snow on the XJ. So there it is. That's what we're going to do today. This one runs, so no big deal. Well, it's that cold out. Guess we're doing it by hand, kids. That sucks. All right, check that out. Oh man, I don't know if I put antifreeze in this. Oh no. Oh yeah, I guess I did. Thank God. All right, so the engine block itself, valve cover, is actually frosted over. So should be fun. I guess we can plug this in and see if it'll even turn over. I'm pretty sure that the battery is just straight up dead. No lights. No nothing. All right. Time for jump pack. Check out the icicles. Pretty cool. All right. Let's see if there's enough juice in this to turn it over. Unknown. I had to jump the tractor with it about half hour ago and it wouldn't do that, so now I've got enough juice in it. Should work. All right, cold start challenge for Stuff with Cletus. Oh, there it is. It's EFI, so I mean, I kind of feel like I'm not doing the cold start challenge the service it deserves because it is EFI. Well, there we go. For a junk engine that was laying on a crate, sure runs good. I mean, I guess we could try to start the Ram if we want to do that. Again, not really in the spirit of the cold start challenge, but and there we go. It's freezing cold. Like and subscribe, please. That'll help me out a lot. The more the channel grows, the more cool stuff we can get into and all of that. So, man, I'm burning a ton of oil. I wonder if that plenum gasket is failing again. Yeah. Something ain't right. Oh no. Oh boy. I think that plenum gasket has failed again. Look at all the smoke. Old rusty Ram. I don't know what the deal is with it. I guess maybe that plenum plate at the bottom has failed again. I'll have to deal with that later. I forgot I have one more thing. Or I actually have one thing here that's carbureted. So we will try this old piece of crap. I don't think... Hey! I don't think we need the fan right now. So, I put a new carburetor on this a couple years ago. I think there's a video in my channel. It's not that interesting. So, I guess we'll try. Not a lot of hope for this. Yeah, I think it's got gas in it. It does, doesn't it? Yeah, it's got 3 bars. Well, this is more like a real cold start, right? Fight with the carburetor and the fuel for an hour, and then it runs like crap. Let's see. There we go. Oh, I guess we got enough fuel in it. What do you think? Just a wee little backfire. Hey, it runs. Shocking to me. I probably need to take it out and run it because I was having some issues with it last year where it would run perfectly fine and drive perfectly fine. And then all of a sudden it just wouldn't run unless it was wide open. It just, as soon as the gas came down to an idle, it would just stall. But the next time you started it up, it'd be fine. It'd run for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half hour, something like that. And then it just would not idle at all. You just have to run it wide open. You couldn't even shift it into gear because it would just stall out. So I haven't figured out quite what that problem is. This is the fan on it. I rigged it up because there's a sensor down here that only turns the fan on when it reaches a certain temperature, but if that little sensor fails, the fan won't come on and it'll overheat. But other than that, there you go. So apparently I successfully completed the cold start challenge because I had a carbureted vehicle, albeit a quad start, and it's still running. The Jeep died, so I don't know what's up with that. So anyway, thanks a lot, and I'm gonna go see what's up with the Jeep. So please like and subscribe, and everybody else on Instagram and everything, you know, I really appreciate all the stuff that you guys done. So I'll catch you later. Bye.